What's up guys, in this video, we will look at some of the best ductless range hoods with charcoal filter on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. Ferrega's Wall Mount Range Hood 450 CFM. The Ferrega's Wall Mount Range Hood 30-inch with a powerful 450 CFM brushless DC motor is designed to bring efficiency, quiet operation, and sleek aesthetics to your kitchen. With 9 speed settings, LED lighting, and easy installation, this range hood is a perfect addition to your cooking space. In this review, we'll explore the features that make this range hood an ideal choice for both functionality and style. The Ferrega's Wall Mount Range Hood is equipped with a robust 450 CFM brushless DC motor, ensuring efficient removal of oil fumes, smoke, and harmful carcinogens from your kitchen. This powerful motor not only enhances air quality but also reduces energy consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home. Experience a peaceful cooking environment with the whisper-quiet operation of this range hood. At its lowest setting, the noise level is barely noticeable, and even at the highest speed, it remains impressively quiet, with a maximum decibel rating of only 60 dB. For versatile installation, the range hood can be converted to a ductless configuration using the included carbon filter, CC170. This flexibility ensures that you can adapt the hood to your kitchen's layout and needs. Installing the Ferrega's Wall Mount Range Hood is a breeze, thanks to the comprehensive instruction manual and installation guide video. The soft touch control panel allows for easy and precise adjustment of the hood's 9 speed settings. Catering to various cooking methods, constructed with high-quality 20-gauge brushed stainless steel, 430 grade, this 30-inch range hood not only enhances your kitchen's aesthetics but is also easy to maintain. The 2 dishwasher-safe stainless steel baffle filters efficiently capture grease, keeping your kitchen cleaner and fresher. The Ferrega's range hood's upscale design complements various kitchen decors effortlessly. Its adjustable chimney accommodates ceilings ranging from 7.5 to 8.5 feet, ensuring a perfect fit for your space. The sleek 6-inch round top vent and 3-prong plug simplify installation. The Ferrega's Wall Mount Range Hood 30-inch combines efficiency, quiet operation, and elegant design to elevate your kitchen experience. With its powerful motor, user-friendly controls, and versatile installation options, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen. Enjoy cleaner air and a stylish cooking space with this exceptional range hood from Ferrega's. Number 2. Hermetlux Range Hood. In the realm of modern kitchen appliances, the Hermetlux Range Hood stands out as a stellar choice for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. This 30-inch stainless steel wonder is not just a sight to behold, it also boasts an array of features that make it an ideal addition to any kitchen. The Hermetlux Range Hood comes equipped with 2 energy-efficient 1.5W LED lights. These lights provide ample brightness to illuminate your cooking space, ensuring you have a well-lit environment to whip up your culinary creations. The sensitive reaction push-button control panel allows you to easily adjust the lighting and various other operations, providing you with ultimate control and convenience. One of the standout features of the Hermetlux Range Hood is its versatility. This cooker hood offers 2 venting options, duct and ductless. Whether your kitchen is equipped for duct ventilation or not, the Hermetlux Range Hood has you covered. It even includes 2 carbon filters, allowing you to effortlessly convert your range hood to a ductless setup. This adaptability ensures that this range hood can seamlessly integrate into any kitchen configuration. Worried about installation? Fear not! Hermetlux makes the installation process a breeze by providing professional installation manuals and step-by-step installation videos. Even if you're not a DIY enthusiast, you can confidently install your vent hood without any hassle. Saving you time and money on professional installation services, a kitchen hood's primary job is to eliminate unwanted odors and fumes, and the Hermetlux Range Hood excels in this department. Equipped with a 3-speed exhaust fan, it offers powerful suction that efficiently removes smells and odors, leaving your kitchen air clean and fresh. No more worrying about lingering cooking aromas or smoke. When you choose the Hermetlux Range Hood, you're not just getting a premium kitchen appliance. The package includes everything you need for a hassle-free installation: the range hood itself, 2 charcoal filters for ductless operation, a duct pipe, fixing parts, a user manual, and even a generous 1-year warranty. Plus, their customer service is ready to assist you around the clock. As a responsible seller, Hermetlux is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction, and they guarantee a prompt and helpful response within 24 hours if you encounter any issues with their range hood. The Hermetlux range hood is a top-tier choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their kitchen's aesthetics and functionality. With energy-efficient lighting, flexible venting options, easy installation, powerful suction, and a comprehensive package, it's an investment that promises to enhance your cooking experience and the overall ambience of your kitchen. Say goodbye to cooking odors and hello to a cleaner, more enjoyable cooking space with the Hermetlux range hood. Number 3. Is-Easy built-in kitchen hood. When it comes to keeping your kitchen clean, fresh, and well-lit, the Is-Easy built-in kitchen hood is the perfect solution. This powerful range hood insert, with its 600 CFM efficient airflow, is designed to effectively remove smoke and odors, leaving your kitchen a more pleasant place to cook. The Is-Easy built-in kitchen hood is equipped with a 600 CFM cubic feet per minute exhaust fan, making it a formidable force in the battle against cooking odors and smoke. With a brand new motor, it ensures efficient ventilation, ensuring that your kitchen remains clean and odor-free. What's more, it operates at a maximum noise level of only 65 dB, ensuring that it won't disrupt your kitchen's peaceful atmosphere. This stainless steel vent hood includes 2 dishwasher-safe and easily removable stainless steel permanent filters. These filters are designed to trap cooking grease and oil, preventing them from settling on your kitchen surfaces. Additionally, there's a convenient plastic box in front of the hood motor that collects excess oil, making maintenance a breeze. The Is-Easy built-in kitchen hood features a classic mechanical push-button control panel right on the hood board. This intuitive interface ensures easy operation, even when your hands are wet or you're cooking at high temperatures. You can trust this range hood to perform reliably whenever you need it. Illuminating your cooking area is essential for safe and efficient food preparation. The Is-Easy kitchen hood comes with 2 energy-saving LED lamps that can be easily changed when needed. These lamps provide uniform and bright illumination across your cooking surface, ensuring you can see your food clearly as it cooks and monitor its progress with ease. When you purchase the Is-Easy built-in kitchen hood, you'll receive everything you need for a hassle-free installation and operation. Number 4. Ferrega's range hood insert 600 CFM. The kitchen is the heart of your home, and it deserves the best in terms of ventilation and aesthetics. The Ferrega's range hood insert 30-inch is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. With its powerful 600 CFM airflow, sleek stainless steel design, and quiet operation, this kitchen hood is a must-have for any home chef. The Ferrega's range hood insert 30-inch is engineered for maximum efficiency. With a robust 600 CFM capacity and a 3-speed exhaust fan, it's capable of handling various cooking styles, effectively removing oil fumes and harmful carcinogens from your kitchen environment. This not only keeps your kitchen cleaner but also reduces potential damage to your skin and health. Additionally, it offers the convenience of both duct and ductless operation, thanks to the included carbon filter, CC170, making it adaptable to your kitchen setup. No one wants a noisy kitchen when preparing meals. The Ferrega's range hood insert is designed for ultra-quiet operation, emitting less than 57 dB of noise at high speed. Say goodbye to the distraction of loud venting systems. This range hood insert also features 2 energy-efficient LED lamps that provide warm and attractive lighting to your cooking workspace, ensuring you can cook with precision and style. Aesthetics matter in the kitchen, and the Ferrega's range hood insert doesn't disappoint. Crafted from food grade. Number 5. Hermetlux under cabinet range hood. A well-ventilated kitchen is essential for a comfortable cooking experience, and the Hermetlux under cabinet range hood is here to deliver just that. With its sleek black design, powerful exhaust fan, and convenient features, this 30-inch vent hood is a must-have addition to any kitchen. The Hermetlux range hood comes with a user-friendly 3-speed push-button control panel, allowing you to adjust the ventilation to suit your cooking needs with ease. Plus, it features cold bright LED light bulbs that not only provide excellent illumination for your cooking area but also save energy. Say goodbye to struggling in dimly lit kitchens. This range hood offers 2 venting options to accommodate your kitchen's layout. It includes an interchangeable rectangle adapter for both top and rear exhaust venting, giving you the flexibility to choose the most suitable configuration for your space. Additionally, the included carbon filter allows for ductless operation, making it adaptable to various kitchen setups. You don't need to be a DIY expert to install the Hermetlux under cabinet range hood. The user manual provides clear instructions, and with just a few straightforward steps, you can have this range hood up and running seamlessly beneath your cabinet. Enjoy the benefits of improved ventilation without the hassle of a complex installation process. The slim hood design of the Hermetlux range hood is a space-saving solution, allowing you to maximize the use of your cabinet space. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.